the guards begin their daily rounds. Meanwhile, on the other side of the fence, within the DMZ, another patrol also begins the day's work. A wild boar sow leads her platoon in single file along well-worn forest paths. As well as her own young from last year's litter, the group, or sounder, comprises several females and their young, and it's the matriarch's job to protect them from danger. Though the observation towers overlook the woodland, the guards miss much of the action inside. Nature's parachute regiment, for example. The patrolling guards never see the flying squirrel's stealthy maneuver. By stretching out the loose skin at its sides, the flying squirrel cruises from the top of one tree to the base of another. For nearly 50 years, only a handful of humans have been allowed to set foot within the DMZ, creating an accidental wildlife reserve of 950 square kilometers. The region has, without doubt, provided a final stronghold for a creature on the brink of extinction, the amur, or Korean long-tailed goral. The gorals are protected by two of the most unlikely wildlife guardians. But even in this sanctuary, only 50 gorals cling to survival, and this species has been wiped out everywhere else. Its rarity has earned it the status of national treasure in Korea. The female and her kid are good climbers, and their long, stout limbs means they can browse safely on slopes that would be too steep for predators. Across the DMZ, North Korea remains pretty much closed. Virtually unknown, it is linked only by rivers that flow between the north and south. When the two guards arrive to check the bridge, they find evidence of another patrol, the water deer's prince. Another buck has dared to wander across the boundary, but the territory owner will not tolerate the intrusion. Fights can be vicious, so the trespasser decides not to risk a confrontation, and the resident buck can resume his rounds.